What is up? We're at Carlota, and it is a hotel and a restaurant. My husband, he is one that gallivants all over Ecuador, honestly. So he knows all of the cool places to eat, places to stay, places to have meetings, and honestly just chill out. And he has brought me to Carlota because he wants me to try the food and also give you guys a tour. The Carlota Sustainable Design Hotel is a 4-star hotel located in Quito, Ecuador, next to the Basilica. What's great about this hotel is it is walking distance from the center of Quito, and that's actually how we made our way here. We stopped in after our tour and decided we wanted to have lunch and take a tour of some of the hotel rooms so we would have a better idea of what they look like if we decide to stay here in the future. According to information found online, this hotel has a daily breakfast buffet in their bar area. Wow, I'm super impressed. This place is nice. We're already talking about wanting to stay here because why not? And again, we came here for the food because they specialize in regional cuisine. We're so excited to eat. So now that you've seen what this hotel looks like from the inside, let's head to the restaurant. The menu. Really enjoyed the tour of the hotel. This is definitely a place I'd love to come and stay at. Everybody's so nice. So, I mean, if you're looking for a place to come, this is definitely a place to stay and a restaurant to eat at. I'm excited to try the food. Of course, I'll let you know if it's good or not, but I have a feeling that it's good. He's shaking his head. He's saying that it's good. We are gonna order hummus, and I think I'm gonna get the Indian bowl too, because that seems like, yeah, this.
Oh,
Indian bowl. That's doable.
Yes.
So, yeah.
Did you ask for me, buddy? You say my name? Yes.
These are new.
Yum.
This banana, green banana,
Yum.
hot sauce. Nice.
Thank you so much. Appetizer, green banana, and sweet potato, and a hot sauce too. They put little, these little nuts. What are they called? You did tell me about this before. Pro tip, pancakes and waffles make good snacks on the go if you're out. And this has peanut butter in it as well. So it's perfect. Hummus with veggies and pita. I've actually got this as something to eat and can eat pretty easily. It's actually really good.
It's very sweet spaghetti.
Really?
I want to try it.
Good.
And mushrooms.
It's very good. Trying to eat and feed this one at the same time is hard, but I'm really enjoying this meal. This is good. And his was good too.